Getting the temperature sensor put on for the Ollie Sniper. Got a little adapter I had to pick up to put in the hole there. I always get confused on which way to wrap the tape. The sealing tape, so get this on. Sometimes you gotta wrap these things a couple of times to get it right, so I gotta kind of redo my work here. These are the tedious things that really sometimes get on your nerves, drive you nuts. But hey, that's what it's all about, you know, when you're working on these things. Just kind of relax, take your time. Not like the big TV guys, right? They have a commercial break and it's all done. So it's going in pretty good. A little. Get me a little crescent wrench. Turn that in. Turn it a little bit more. Give it a couple turns. Some of these things can be awkward for me because I'm left-handed, but you know, live in a right-handed world. Got that there. So this is a 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch adapter. That's what I used for this, for the temperature sending unit. I was gonna try to put this, you know, the factory one goes right here. I was actually gonna try to put this on the other side of the head there, and man, I beat that sucker trying to get it off, and it just would not budge. And I reached out to the engine builder, and he's cautioned. He's like, "Stop what you're doing." He told me, "Do not touch that." He said, "That's put in from the factory on that side, that plug." He said, "Do not even attempt to remove it." So I got all marred up, and I had to paint it. You know, work that marred up metal a little bit, and then I painted it. So it doesn't look too bad. You're not going to be able to tell anyways once this is all done. So let's get this temperature sensor put in. Looks like it's in pretty good. I don't want to go too overboard on this. Just trying not to have any of this tape stick out, but are kind of, guess it is what it is. So let's see how this plug lines up here. This would be the plug that comes off the side. It's just right here on the passenger side. This wire comes out for this temperature sending unit. So what I'm trying to figure out is, you know, what I've been doing a little bit of reading up on the Holley snipers. You need to be careful with the wires. Keep them away, like from your spark plug wires, and also got to be careful around the alternator because of EMI and RFI interference. So I thought about seeing if I could maybe run the wire around the other end, but it's not gonna reach. So I am gonna have to come around this way like this. So I'll probably figure something out to get it to, you know, get it to lay over here, just to get it out of the way. Figure something out. We got that right in there. And of course, once the car is put together, you know, these are those last minute things that you clean up, you know, to make, I like things to look really clean. I don't like seeing a lot of, you know, wires all over the place and everything, and things jumbled everywhere, and I like things to look clean. So I'm going to try to make this look as clean as possible once it's all done. So there's a close-up of what the temperature sending unit looks like. I'm going to end up putting some black wire cover tubing over that line there to make it look clean. I'm just getting my O2 sensor bung drilled out for the Holley Sniper. The Holley Sniper kit actually comes with this doodad here, where basically you drill it in. You put this thing here with the strap. It comes with straps and a gasket, and then you screw in your O2 sensor, and that's fine. But I wanted to try to get it closer to where the collector merges here. So, other words, you know, I probably would have put it further back. You know, if I was just going to use this bracket, obviously I would have done that so I can have good room for the straps to come on. But again, I wanted just to get as close as possible to where the merge is here with the different pipes. So I have a stainless steel O2 sensor bung, and it has some, it's got like a little lip on it. I'll put it up to the camera here for you to look at. So what you do here with this lip, the cool thing about it is you're able to just stick it in the hole, you know, once you have it drilled out. That way when you weld it, you know, you have it makes it a lot easier because to hold it in place. So what I'm going to end up doing is, I've got a neighbor across the street who's a welder. I'm going to have him come and weld this for me. That's kind of what this channel is all about, really, is just, you know, doing your projects and getting the people you know to kind of help you, give you a hand. I don't know how. Probably going to be a gap, you know, because it's not concave.
Right. You're good.
finished product. Looks pretty clean if you ask me. Thank you, neighbor.
You got it, man.
Appreciate it. Well, that's a good neighbor for you right there. Somebody with a good skill like that, a good talent in welding. Here we go. This is the final product. Got the O2 sensor plugged in, all screwed in. I've got to go into the harness here on the Holly Sniper. I'll clean it up once I get the body on the car, and I'll probably do some sort of fastener under the car to fasten that wire, make it look all clean. But let me know what you think.